Hi, I'm Marna, and Halloween is coming fast now. And if you're a crafter, holidays seem to come twice as fast because you always seem to be one craft behind. So I want to encourage you to start your Monster High crafts, DIYs, and ideas for the last week in October, where we flood YouTube with Monster High videos. This is just a reminder video with a little craft. You know, you don't have to have a big deal video for your Monster High videos coming up. You can do something as simple as, I don't know, a pair of socks made into clothes that take 2 minutes to do, like I did here with this little top. Her ring turned around. This is a ring. This is a hack for you. These are rings I bought at the Dollar Tree. I used one for an armband and one for a necklace. Then I took a sock and I cut her some undies and little top with the pumpkin as the main focus. And just now I cut her out in a minute's time or less. I took the rest of that sock and I made her, let's see if we can oh, I got upside down. And I made her a little dress or top. Let's see how it fits to decide. It should be a little dress. And we're going to put her arm through there and her arm through here and slide this on up. Oh, her armband came off. It's not quite long enough for a dress, so we'll slide her little undies, knickers, whatever you call them in your neck of the woods. We call them panties. Some people call them bloomers or whatever. But anyway, there's a lot you can do with 2 minutes time and a sock. Remember, it's not about making big elaborate videos. It's about having a good time and flooding YouTube with Monster High videos. October 25th through the 31st. Spread the word. Tell all the doll community. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and please subscribe.